Right, legends, it's late in the day and the gang have installed the door frame for the main door, and they're even gonna attempt to throw the first the first layer of rendering to try and fill these gaps on either side. So let's stick with this, see where it goes. Wow, si Commander. Yeah. And here we are, legends. We have all of the electrical items for the time being. Wow. Wiring. Wow. And we also have a panel board as well, the fuse board.
Ang alambre, kasi 20 meters.
Oh.
Ay, ito.
No.
Kulot.
May separado alambre. This is the
Iba, yung 70 meters.
ah.
Transpipe may 70 meters pipe.
All right, on with the vlog, legend. And this is the panel board, the fuse board, legends. It's a big one. Right, legends, we have spent the entire morning sorting out the electrical stuff with Nunoy John. Shout out to Uncle Nunoy John. We couldn't have done that without you and your expertise. It's truly appreciated. Thanks for all your help this morning. We have a parcel that has arrived at LBC in the SM City Mall, Roxas City. So we're gonna go and collect that now. Join us for the ride. On with the vlog. Lib lang. May bago pala ka? May fuse box sa opisina, ang gold fuse box siya. Ano eh? Ay, pwede ka testingan ang bago cut off.
Salamat mo po.
Because different branda. Hindi siya parehas, but parehas man.
Diba?
Look.
Damo nito.
Oh, but it's the same. Metal cutting siya. So we're putting all this stuff into our office space for safekeeping.
Pizza boss. Pizza.
And then imo ang alambre, ang langsang, ang mesh, and then ang semento inaga. Colombia. Right, legends, so we're back here at the Dream Home Building Project. It's vlog 186. Thanks for tuning in. We've had a hectic morning, all to do with our electrical supply. Big shout out to Nunoy, Uncle Jon, Giharo and team for helping me out. I wouldn't have been able to do this without you. And
do internet, ulang nila to. Hindi ko na kayo nung ayaw nila makakakain.
Para boss, sila mag-opisina. Bang may play naman ba?
Oh. Legends, welcome to vlog 186 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. I have the pleasure of letting you know that our door frames, our Humber made of mahogany from our family farm, has finally arrived after a couple of weeks at the workshop, and I'm going to give you a quick show of them now. My mother and father will be really happy. I've just had a quick look at them, so I'm delighted to show it to you. Let's have a look at them. So this is the main door. This is just delivered today. Look at that. Look at the workmanship. It's really beautiful, legends. And I can just imagine the door, the windows being installed on the sides, and then the main door. And with it being mahogany, it's got that deep orange tan to it. It's awesome. And Foreman Rocky is getting the door frame ready for the entrance ready for the door frame to be installed, whilst Jobert and Boss Nanti are mixing some more cement, because legends, it's another gloomy and drizzle filled day, so the gang are indoors again doing some finishing, some rendering to the walls, throwing cement onto the walls, rendering, which I have shown in previous vlogs. So yeah, Foreman Rocky will prepare this slot here for the main door and the installation of this door frame. So it's quite big, it's oversized, because this is quite an extraordinary design, so it all needs to be extra big. As well as that, legends, let's have a look at the other door frames that were delivered. The weather is really bad, and it's playing havoc with our immune systems. So here, legends, is another 4 door frames for the bedrooms and the toilets, etc. All now standard size, and I think again you'll agree that the workmanship looks of a very good quality. I was worried that, the workmanship wouldn't be that great, but obviously it's amazing. I'm very happy with it. I'm sure Mum and Dad will be happy too. And I love the deep tan colour that this mahogany has turned out in. And because it's from our family farm, the wood is 30 or so years old from our family farm, it just adds that extra bit of sentimental value to the whole build. It's amazing.
Katalog anong bibi na gusto makita karuan ng actual na pertaan kaya pala. Sige man dyan. Ay, uso kita bi magkanong propal ning trangkaso mo. Hindi daw uso kita magkanang. Sige, anong bibing? Salamat pa. Inaadya lang galing ko na lang. Sige.
I've asked apprentice Tannoy to check that these cut-off blade works with our machine, because it's not the usual brand that I've bought in the past and it wasn't available, so I bought these at Amado Lim. And they assured me that as long as it's not being used, we can change it. What's important is that it can fit in our machine.
Diyan yung pagkapapa mo ng call mo. Wala ang call. Subang ka? Dapat lo. Ay, ito tas pa ako mo dispas.
Oh, my build up. I'm dead pleased with these legends. Look at this. Oh, salamat. Picture? Woo. You think so? About.
Siya lang ang lupin dyan.
Sinuod na sarito sa ating kapitin. Hoping na hindi pa
Let's bring your samasanag, boss. I'm just a bit worried. It's a different, hindi siya parehas, different branda.
So from what I understand, there's 4 more Humber upstairs. So let's go and have a look upstairs, legends, at these new door frames. So again, legends, these are 2 more door frames that are of a deep tan mahogany colour. I'm very pleased with them. You can see the workmanship, and again, because the wood has been sourced from my father's family farm and is over 30 years old, it just adds that extra sentimental value to the whole use of it. Just means our doors, our staircase, anywhere where there's mahogany, I'll always know it's come from my father's family farm. So yeah, the workmanship is great as well. So yeah, it's a very emotional moment. I'm very pleased with it. That's all I can say, legends. It's I'm very grateful for it. I'm sure Mum and Dad watching this will be happy as well. Can't wait till they're installed, and it's just another pivotal moment in the build in this vlog series. Our door frames have arrived, legends, and I've been assured that the doors will shortly follow as well after another 2 or so weeks. So yeah, a lot to look forward to, legends, and Foreman Rocky is on the case, already ready to install these door frames, because once the door frames are installed, we can actually render right to the door frame, and that kind of just adds that finishing touch to the whole thing. If you have any questions regarding what you're seeing, legends, in this vlog, or anything about these door frames, these mahogany door frames, please put them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you there. So legends, while Foreman Rocky is trying to make the beginning of start the installation of the door frame, the main door frame, Jerson, Tanoi and Jovin are rendering inside the ground floor of the property. If you're unfamiliar with what rendering is, I've covered this in a few other vlogs. It's the process of throwing a mixture of cement onto the wall to provide a base layer. Then it's smoothed out and leveled, so you end up with a very smooth wall like so here. And Tanoi is here, but it's a bit dark, so I can't really stay too long. But Tanoi is making a start on this inside wall that leads to the public CR that everyone has access to on this floor, on the ground level. See Jobert. And Nunoi Jovin is also in here. He's almost finished this room. He's made great progress actually. This is Mum and Dad's ground floor room. You'll see all of these walls are now rendered, and just a little bit there. This entire wall is done now, and and Jovan is also making a finish to this one here, this top floor wall. It's horrible weather again, legends, and it's just dangerous to be up on the 3rd floor working on bamboo. So we're going to err on the side of caution and put safety first, and when the weather's like this we come down here and pilak, we render the walls. And when the weather is glorious, hopefully tomorrow, we'll have some blue skies. We can go back to the 3rd floor. Si Nonoy Gibson?
Eskwela sa boss.
Eskwela?
Oh.
But sa gahon?
Walang dahil boss, kaya lang hapon nila klase.
So sa gahon he's here?
Wala lang sa boss.
Well, so absent siya today?
Oh.
But everyone else? Present tanan? Si Nonoy Gibson lang absent? One of my favorites, Commander Bawang, Nonoy Gibson, is at school. He has to attend school once a week to be part of the Reserve Philippine Army. So that's where he is today, legends. Strong, legends. The rebar is hooked onto the cavilla, to the rebar inside the column, and that will form the roof there of this door installation. So you can be sure that it's very strong because it's hooked on inside the column. Very good. So Foreman Rocky is going to try and stand this door frame up in the allotted space. Boss and Auntie is just chiseling away at the floor to make sure that it's a perfect and good fit. Foreman Rocky is just hammering in some brand new 4-inch nails around the outside of the door frame. This will provide some traction for when we fill it in with cement and concrete, so the nails can grip onto something, if that makes sense. My fingers make sense. But yeah, if you imagine, the nails will stick up when we throw more concrete and onto it to fill the gaps. And he'll do this on the sides as well, because it's the same concept. Bird?
Ay. Sulit ah.
Mabugat, Bird?
Oo.
Wow! And we're installing the door legends. It's a heavy door. Joba has said it's heavy, Bugat. And the door frame is being installed by the Gang and Foreman Rocky. Wow! So you can get an idea, legends, that the door is pretty standard, but the what would you call that? The segments that are reserved for glass. We're going to put glass all the way around it, make it quite a large design.
pag ina. Pwede ibalik ang manan. Wala na. Bilibilan ko.
Ano siya?
Wala na.
Uy, po.
Hindi eh. Joke mo lang ko. Pag kumayo ni
So that's kind of now an interlude now into what will be vlog 187 Legends. I'll give you a more in-depth look at the installation of this door frame, where they will throw cement into these gaps here and fill them and make this door frame flush with the wall. So yeah, they're gonna level it now, make sure that it's actually level and not an angle. But yeah, more to come, Legends. This is just the first stage of the actual installation. There's quite a few stages first before we can say that the door is fully installed. Obviously there needs to be window panes installed. The actual door needs to be installed. But certainly today we have begun the process of installing the door frame. I hope you enjoyed vlog 186 Legend. It's been a pleasure giving it to you or recording it for you. Remember to like, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the Mahogany YouTube channel, as well as that on all social media platforms. Give us a follow as well on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And any kind words you wish to say, put them in the comment section, or you are very free to Facebook message me directly. And yeah, always nice to hear from any of you.
Basket na wifi. Wait.
Doon sa kwadra ko, yung diretso lang, may danaan, tatanto mo.
Legends, it's late in the day and the gang have installed the door frame for the main door, and they're even gonna attempt to throw the first the first layer of rendering to try and fill these gaps on either side. So let's stick with this, see where it goes. Wow, si Commander. Kaya, musta mo eskwelahan? Okay lang? Ready na?
Buko sa walang kita.
see, legends, they're throwing concrete into those gaps, and those nails on the side are now holding the door frame in with the concrete once it dries. Right, legends, that's it for vlog 186. An amazing vlog, amazing day. I managed to get quite a bit done, electrical items bought, as well as the delivery and the eventual installation of the door frames for the main door at least. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that share button, and of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Please, please, please continue to support my journey here in the Philippines. Until next time, I'll see you in vlog 187. 187 is next. It's me, myself, and I, Miles Roldan. Thanks for watching.